Hi, I'm Amanda Jane Woodall and welcome to my fashion school. So today I'm going to show you how to make a cool Valentine's Day outfit because it's the season of love and maybe you need a cheap, easy, affordable gift for your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your they friend, your mum, your auntie, your sister, your brother, whoever, even yourself. If you're the person you love the most, make these for yourself. You're going to look great and you're going to have something to wear on that date, even if it's just date night with yourself. We're going to go through all the embellishing techniques. So we're going to look at fabric painting, we're going to look at alterations, we're going to look at applique, embroidery, everything. We're going to have a go and we're going to make something really fun and flirty, affordable, DIY, and using the things that you already own. Here I have all my scrap fabrics and I've just picked out anything that looks remotely pink, red or lacy, anything that inspires me to think it's Valentine's, and you go and do the same. So cut your stuff up, find your scrap fabric, find your scrap trimmings. Look, I've got a bit of twine there left over from Christmas. I'm sure we all have stuff in our house that we can use up for this DIY. do is we're going to make some cool embellishments, and we're going to use our scrap fabrics, and you can attain these by cutting up old clothing, going to a charity shop and looking for interesting vintage fabrics, or I've chosen this kind of very traditional pink colour palette, but you can choose whatever colour palette you like. You just have fun, and we're going to make these really cute little embellishments to go on our jeans. But trust me, you can do it, and it doesn't matter if they don't look perfect, they don't look polished, because the more rustic the better. We like shabby chic on this channel, and you put the effort in, and that's what counts in this project. So what you need is your mood board to give yourself a little bit of inspiration, ideas. Maybe you're a pro, you don't need a mood board, but me, I like to have a little bit of a reference. Your scrap fabrics, as I've said, and some templates. Now I've chosen hearts because I've gone with this Valentine's Day theme, but again, whichever shapes you fancy, you go for, but I just like the traditional. So, and then our sewing kit, just whatever you're comfortable sewing with. You need your needle, your thread, your scissors, all the things that we've talked about in past videos. And what you're going to do is you're going to lose yourself in this creativity. You're not going to criticise yourself. Criticising yourself is banned. You're going to have fun. You're going to find your inner creativity, and you're going to decorate these however you like. If you don't feel confident, then that's fine. You can look at the ideas on your mood board and, you know, imitate them quite closely. We don't say copy on this channel. Imitate them quite closely if that gives you the confidence to have a go. But please, please, please don't hold yourself back. No one ever gives handmade anymore, and how nice a gesture is that? So let's go for it. Let's make these jeans really funky now with me. but whoa, my brain just went too fast for my mouth.